Hello children, this is grade 5 block 10 and S3. Topic is life cycle of a butterfly. Open your readers, page number 66. Just I'm reading for you, just you read after me, right? Life cycle of a butterfly. A life cycle of a butterfly begins as an egg. Butterfly eggs can be found in clusters on the leaves. Eggs hatch and form like caterpillars, or butterfly larva comes out. Caterpillars eat the leaves. Caterpillars eat almost all the time because they grow very fast. When a larva is fully grown, it's form a cocoon or covering around it. This stage is called pupa. A cocoon is usually attached to the underside of a leaf. A pupa is quite inactive. After some time, a beautiful butterfly comes out of the cocoon. A newly emerged butterfly spends some time opening up its wings and letting them dry. The transformation of a caterpillar into a butterfly is also called metamorphosis. Right, children? So again you read it, underline the hard words and write hard words as a keywords in your classwork book. So your topic is life cycle of a butterfly, right? So this diagram, you got a diagram, right? This diagram you have to draw in your classwork book. Draw with the pencil, color it and label it very carefully each and every stage. So now I am going to explain you. Butterfly lays their eggs on the leaves of plants, right? So butterflies' eggs are as small as the period or the full stop at the end of the sentence. At the end of the sentence, you will put the dot like this, you know, like that the eggs will be, right? So caterpillars are the baby stage of butterflies. So from the eggs, what will come out? After few days, caterpillars will come out. So here caterpillars are the baby stage of butterflies, right? So from the eggs the caterpillars will come out. So after the caterpillars will be in different colors. So they will eat leaves of plants on which the eggs were laid, right? Got it? Okay. Again from the caterpillar, a caterpillar forms. From the caterpillar the pupa will be formed, right? By spinning a cocoon, right? So from by spinning a cocoon around itself, right? So from this one, from the cocoon, the butterfly will come out. A beautiful and a graceful and a colorful butterfly will come out, right? So this is again the butterfly. It will open its wings and after getting dry up, and again it will, this is called the adult butterfly. Again it will start, adult butterfly, and it will fly off. Again it will lay the eggs. Again the eggs will hatch into, it will turn into caterpillar. Again from there pupa, right? And from there cocoon, okay? From there the butterfly will come out. These are the stages, the life's different stages of butterfly, right? So here the process, an adult butterfly can lay eggs and restart the process, right? Again the adult butterfly restart the process from which it got life, right children? So as this process repeats, again it lays the eggs, again butterfly, like this the process repeats. So this is called a life cycle. It is called a life cycle. So a complete change in form is called, a complete change in this form is called a metamorphosis, right? So when a caterpillar becomes a butterfly, it changes completely, right children? A caterpillar eats leaves, whereas see, from the eggs the caterpillar came out. What caterpillar is eating? Leaves. Then from the caterpillar, what it has come? From the pupa, cocoon, and the next stage is butterfly. But butterfly will not eat leaves. What it will drink? It will drink nectar, right? So a butterfly, whereas a caterpillar crawls on leaves. But butterfly flies. It drinks nectar. But caterpillar eat leaves. but it crawls on the leaf, right? This is the difference, right children? Okay, so here one thing I want to ask you. Do you think butterflies are similar to frogs or birds in the way they raise their young ones, children? Yes, butterflies are similar to frogs as they do not care for their young ones, whereas birds do. Right, children? Okay, now you do one thing. Open your, we'll go to the question answers. So we'll see the question answers. You have to go with question number 5. Describe the stages in the life cycle of a butterfly. Draw a diagram of it. I told you how to draw. You have to draw the diagram and you have to describe the stages. If you if you are not able to write the stages, just you open your workbook also. Please open your book, and here you are having different stages over here. So please write this different each and every stage. Okay, first you draw the diagram on the left side, and the right side just you write the question and write the different stages. You can copy from the workbook also. Different stages are here, right children? And that is a thing from your this one reader. Now open your workbook, children. In workbook we will see over here question number 2. Do butterflies undergo metamorphosis during their life cycle? How? Just now I told you butterflies go through a life cycle, I told you. So this known as a complete metamorphosis. It will go in a different changes, isn't it? What changes? The stages. It will go into a different stages. What stages are that? Egg, larva, pupa, right? And an adult colorful and beautiful butterfly, right? Now we will go with the, what is this one? Compare the life cycle of a butterfly and a frog. What are the similarities and differences you have to write over here? What are the similarities and the differences you have to write over here? So I think already I completed frog lesson. Frog already I have completed in page number 11. So similarities between the life cycle of a butterfly and a frog. Similarities you have to write, and differences between the life cycle of a butterfly and a frog. You write down what similarities. First, what the similarity of the butterfly and a frog? Eggs, isn't it? Second stage, third stage. And differences also you have to write, where the butterfly lays eggs and where the frog will lays eggs. So I want your own creativity handwriting. I think I don't want to explain you again and again. Already I have explained you about the frog and butterfly also. Let me see how many of you will complete this question number 2. Try to complete on your own, right children? Okay, so complete the diagram also, and this answer you have to write from the reader question I have read for you. Which question is that? Question number fifth one. Just you write the stages from this one. Diagram, please neatly you do. Don't take help of your parents. Better you do your work on your own. Thank you.